Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make it nighttime in Roblox Studio. First, open your Roblox Studio project and navigate to the Explorer window. Locate the lighting service, which controls all environmental aspects of your game. You will then adjust the time of day property to a specific value, such as 23, 0, 0, to simulate a late evening or night setting. This initial step is crucial for establishing the basic dark atmosphere. To further enhance the nighttime effect, you'll want to adjust several lighting properties. Reduce the brightness property to a value near 0 to significantly darken the scene. Similarly, lower the outdoor ambient property to minimize ambient light from the sky. You might also experiment with color shift top and color shift bottom to introduce subtle color tones, like deep blues or purples, for a more atmospheric night sky. A truly effective nighttime scene requires artificial light sources. You can add various types of lights, such as point lights for general illumination, spotlights for focused beams, or surface lights for flat surfaces. Customize their properties, including color, range, and intensity, to achieve the desired effect. Strategically placing these lights around your map, perhaps inside buildings or along pathways, will bring your nighttime environment to life and guide players. For a more advanced and immersive nighttime experience, explore additional effects. Adjust the fog end and fog color properties within the lighting service to create atmospheric depth, making distant objects appear hazy. You can also replace the default skybox with a custom sky object featuring a dark, starry texture. Finally, for dynamic gameplay, consider implementing a script that transitions between day and night, offering a constantly evolving environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.